Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Brazilian flan. First, let's create the delicious caramel base. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar. Gently melt it in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Be careful, as it gets very hot. Once melted, pour it into your 9-inch flan mold, swirling to coat the bottom and sides. Let it cool and harden while we prepare the creamy flan mixture. Now, let's prepare the rich and creamy flan mixture. In a blender, combine 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 3 large eggs. For that classic flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform. Once blended, carefully pour this creamy mixture over the hardened caramel in your prepared flan mold. It's time to bake our delicious flan. Place your flan mold into a larger baking pan. This is for a water bath, which ensures even cooking. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, making sure it comes about halfway up the sides of the flan mold. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Almost there. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely to room temperature. This is a crucial step. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your perfectly chilled and delicious Brazilian flan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.